Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to remove quick ad on Snapchat. What you need to do, first just go to Snapchat and then click in your profile icon. After that go to settings and then just scroll down until you see who can see me in quick ad. Just click here. As you can see right now, show me in quick ad, and here is the green color. That's mean it's show me in quick ad. But if you want to remove quick ad, then just you need to click here. It's mean now I'm disabled and nobody can see me. This is what you need to do if you want to remove quick ad on Snapchat. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.